Hello guys and welcome back to our Qbasic tutorial. Today's our task is to write a program to input 10 numbers and sum its value, which is divisible by 5. Okay, the value is stored in the array, and if these values are divisible by 5, then we will add these values into a variable. So first we will declare an array of 10 blocks. Okay, we need a counter for loop, and we will need a third variable in which we will store the sum of the value which is divisible by 5 in the array. Okay, first what we will do, we will print a message for the user, as we do always. Enter 10 values, and with the help of loop we will take input in each block of our array. Using blank message a of I. Okay, the first basic thing we have did here, we have completed over here. This program will take input in the array, but after that our objective is to find out which value is divisible by 5. So for this we also need a loop to access each block from 0 to 9, and over here, if a of I mod 5 is equal to 0, that means if the value present in the each index, if first time is run, that means the first index a of 0 is divisible by 5, then remainder becomes 0. Then we will do sum is equal to sum plus a of I, and at last we will print with message the sum of the values divisible by 5 is sum. Okay, let's check this program. After that I will explain it. I am going to input the number which I have written over here, then I will explain it. 2 2 4 5 6 4 8 15 3 and 9. Okay, the sum of the values divisible by 5 is equal to 20. Let's see what's happened over here. In the array I entered these values, okay, and if the values get entered, I have started a second loop and check each index values, that if these values are divisible by 5, then we will sum these values and store into an variable. Okay, so here you can see I have written over here the 5 and 15 which is divisible by 5, and the sum of 5 and 15 is equal to 20. Okay, let me explain each line. When these lines runs executed, then we will take input inside the array, and in this array at first, if the value of ai, that means 0, that is 2 mod 5 is equal to 0, which is wrong, then this line will not get executed. And after that again it will check for every next index value, and if the value is divisible by 5, then this line get executed and the sum of the values get stored into some variable, and at last we print out the value of sum over here. One thing I want to share more, that we can write this line after taking input. We do not need to run this loop again. So let's see over here how it's work. I'm going to remove this line. Yes, and you can see this will also work pretty good. Okay, I'm going to input the same values which I have written over here. Two, 4, 5, 6, 4, 8, 15, 3 and 9. Okay, it's worked pretty good. Let me run this program again, and this time I will input something different. 5, 5, 10, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 20 and 6. Okay, the number which is divisible by 5, that is 5, 5 and 10, this becomes 20, and here also 20 is divisible by 5, so 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. Our program works. So if you get any problem, please comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If ever I uploaded a new video in my channel related to the Qbasic programming, you will get notified. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.